Wait, before you skip this video, let me ask you something. You've been learning English for months, maybe even years, but you still don't sound like a pro, right? Because nobody teaches you the real words professionals actually use. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you 50 powerful technical words, the exact vocabulary used in tech, business, and real conversations. And if you master these, your English will instantly sound smarter, sharper, and more advanced. So don't go anywhere, because this might be the lesson that finally changes your English forever. Algorithm, meaning a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Explanation, used in programming and math to perform calculations. Bandwidth, meaning the capacity of a network to transfer data. Cache, meaning a temporary storage for quick data access. Explanation, helps improve system performance. Database, meaning a structured collection of data. Explanation, used to store and manage information efficiently. Encryption, meaning converting data into a secure code. Explanation, protects information from unauthorized access. Firewall, meaning a security system that controls network traffic. Hardware, meaning physical components of a computer. Explanation, includes keyboard, CPU, monitor, etc. Software, meaning programs and applications. Explanation, instructions that tell hardware what to do. Interface, meaning a point of interaction between systems. Explanation, example, user interface, UI. Protocol, meaning rules for data communication. Explanation, ensures devices can communicate properly. Cloud computing, meaning using internet-based computing services. Explanation, data is stored online instead of locally. Cybersecurity, meaning protection of digital systems. Explanation, prevents hacking and data breaches. Debugging, meaning finding and fixing errors. Explanation, important in software development. Framework, meaning a platform for developing software. Explanation, provides tools and structure. Open source, meaning software with accessible source code. Explanation, anyone can modify it. Server, meaning a system that provides services to others. Explanation, hosts websites or data. Client, meaning a user or system requesting services. Explanation, example, your browser. API, application programming interface, meaning a set of rules for communication between software. Explanation, allows apps to connect. Data mining, meaning extracting useful information from data. Explanation, used in business and AI. Machine learning, meaning systems that learn from data. Explanation, a type of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, meaning machines simulating human intelligence. Explanation, used in chatbots, robots, etc. Big data, meaning extremely large data sets. Explanation, analyzed for patterns and trends. Blockchain, meaning a decentralized digital ledger. Explanation, used in cryptocurrencies. Virtual reality, VR, meaning simulated digital environment. Explanation, used in gaming and training. Augmented reality, AR, meaning digital elements added to real world. Explanation. Example, mobile filters. Latency, meaning delay in data transmission. Explanation. Lower latency is better. Scalability, meaning ability to grow and handle demand. Explanation, important for systems and apps. Backup, meaning copy of data for safety. Explanation, prevents data loss. Malware, meaning harmful software. Phishing, meaning fake attempts to steal information. Explanation, often via email scams. 31 to 40 router, meaning a device that directs network traffic. Explanation, connects devices to internet. IP address, meaning unique identifier for a device. Explanation, like a digital address. Domain, meaning website name. Explanation, example, google.com. Hosting, meaning storing website files online. Explanation, makes websites accessible. Front end, meaning user visible part of a website. Explanation, design and layout. Backend, meaning server-side operations. Explanation, handles logic and database. Script, meaning a small program. Explanation, automates tasks. Compiler, meaning converts code into machine language. Explanation, used in programming. Bug, meaning error in a program. Version control, meaning managing code changes. Explanation, example, Git. Network, meaning connected systems or devices. Explanation, shared data and resources. Data structure, meaning way of organizing data. Explanation, example, arrays, lists. Function, meaning a reusable block of code. Explanation, performs a specific task. Loop, meaning repeating a set of instructions. Explanation, saves time in coding. Variable, meaning a storage for data values. Explanation, used in programming. Syntax, meaning rules of writing code. Explanation, errors cause programs to fail. Object-oriented programming, OOP, meaning programming using objects. Explanation, based on classes and objects. Execution, meaning running a program. Explanation, code is processed by computer. Thread, meaning smallest unit of a process. Explanation, enables multitasking. Operating system, OS, meaning main software managing hardware. Explanation. Example, Windows, Linux. Now tell me this. How many of these words did you actually know before this video? Be honest. Drop your number in the comments right now. And if you want to speak English with confidence, not just understand it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because I'm posting videos that will actually change the way you speak English. Don't miss the next one. It might be exactly what you need.